The Flawless Facial Steamer is your at-home facial solution and is perfect for all skin types. Flawless Face Steamer helps moisturize your skin and unclogs pores that allows for deep cleaning. Each tank fill emits steam for 15 minutes and is designed to promote a more radiant complexion. This face steamer features a dual-sided adjustable mirror. Flawless Steamer works with an attached power cord and has a removable tank for easy fill and cleaning. Finishing Touch Flawless Steamer is your at-home skincare solution. Want cleaner and more radiant skin? Use the Flawless Facial Steamer as part of your daily routine. Steam for about 15 minutes with distilled water and watch your skin glow as the steamer unclogs pores. Flawless Steamer uses a constant stream of warm water steam designed to help promote a more radiant complexion. Suitable and gentle on all skin types, create a soothing and luxurious spa treatment in the comfort of your own home. Top reviews from the United States. Buy it. Love this thing, especially because even when not in use, it's still useful with the double-sided mirror. My only beef is that it doesn't hold a lot of water, so I found myself filling it over and over in one sitting. In actuality, it's probably a good thing it doesn't hold much water because I'd probably OD and burn myself from sitting there with it on my face too long. Get it.